Read along with me and follow me. The first word, read. Let's start. Read this story in verse about a little girl who brings a whole village together for a good cause to save the environment. They are telling us to read this story in verse form. Verse means like a rhyme. Not a nursery rhyme, but similar to a rhyme. The story is about a little girl who brings the whole village together, who brings together all the people of the village for a good cause, for a good thing, for a good meaning or purpose. And what was that purpose? To save the environment, to make the environment clean, healthy, to save it from all the pollution. Anju loved the merry little stream, rippling and flowing like a blue green dream. Fish leapt and danced in its water clear. To fish for fish came birds from far and near. As we are reading in a verse form, like a rhyme, these four lines are like a stanza. Like how we say write a paragraph in a verse form, in a rhyme form, that paragraph is called a stanza. So let's see what they are trying to say in this first stanza. Anju loved the merry little stream. So, what is the name of the girl? Can anybody tell me? Yes, correct. Anju. Anju loved the merry little stream. So, this girl Anju loved a merry little stream. Merry means what? Happy. Don't you say? Merry Christmas. So, it means happy. She loved her happy little stream. So maybe a stream was just running near her house or in her village, and she loved it because it seemed happy to her. Rippling and flowing like a blue green dream. Rippling and flowing. Rippling. Rippling means there will be small waves on the surface of the water. Have you seen a stream or a river when it's flowing and the wind blows on top of it? It will ripple it. There will be small, small waves coming on the top of the water, and that is called ripples. So, when it continuously the ripples are formed, it is called rippling. And flowing. Flowing, as we know, that the stream or the rivers are flowing from one point to the other, from a higher place to a lower place. Have you seen when you take a jug of water and you pour the water, it falls, it is flowing? Same way. So, Anju loved the merry little stream, rippling and flowing like a blue green dream. Blue green dream. What do you mean by that? Can anybody tell me? Because streams and rivers are blue. But why green then? Here it's blue green because normally when you look at a river or a stream, they have lot of grass under the surface and they have lot of algae. Have you seen that green lining on the banks of the river? Go and look at your well. You will see all the green plants lining the wall of the well. So that gives a green effect to the blue stream. So it looks like a blue green, and it was like a dream. It was so beautiful, as if you see things in a dream. Thus, Anju loved the merry little stream, rippling and flowing like a blue green dream. Fish leapt and danced in its water clear. Fish leapt and danced. Leapt means here to jump. Have you seen fishes jumping on the surface of a stream or a river? Yes, they just jump and plunk, they fall on the water. So here also, because the stream is so merry and is so blue green, that there are many fishes in it, and they jump and as if they're shaking and dancing in the water, and the water is so clear that you can see the fishes inside the water. To fish for fish came birds from far and near. So fishes leapt and danced in its water clear. To fish for fish came birds. Here, as you can see, fish has been used twice. To fish for fish. So to fish here means the birds are coming here to fish, like fishing, or to catch the fishes. So they come to fish. The birds have come to fish. But to fish what? What are they fishing? They are fishing fishes. So they have come to fish fishes. To fish for fish came birds from far and near. So birds from all over the place. Maybe they have nests nearby in the nearby trees or in the faraway area. They were all coming and trying to catch the fishes from that stream. Let's go through it once again. Anju loved the merry little stream, rippling and flowing like a blue-green dream. Fish leapt and danced in its water clear. To fish, for fish, came birds from far and near. I hope this stanza is little clear to you. Fine. Let's move on to the second stanza. Every day, Anju walked this way from school. In April's heat and October's cool. Sometimes wide, sometimes lean. Her dear stream always ran sparkling clean. In this stanza, we see that every day Anju walked this way from school. So while she was coming back from school to her house, she had to pass this stream. In April's heat and October's cool. And as we all know that each month and every 5 days a week we have to go to school. So she was going the whole year to the school. The whole academic year she had to come back from school along this way where the stream was. So whether it was April, May, June, July, October, all the months. In April's heat and October's cool means April is a summer month. So it is hot. So when it was too hot also, and in October school means when it was raining in October and winters set in, you feel little cold, chilly. So she felt both of them, the heat of the summer and the cool of the winters. Sometimes wide, sometimes lean. sometimes wide, sometimes lean. So, children, in April's heat, when it is summertime, what will happen to that stream? Can you tell me? Good. It will dry up because the sun dries up the water. And during the Octobers, what will happen? Yes, it will fill up with water because monsoons are there and it will be heavily raining, so it will fill up with water. So the stream will be sometimes wide, big, deep, or sometimes lean, thin, narrow, less deep, less water. Her dear stream always ran sparkling clean. Sparkling means bright, shining. When the sun's rays falls on a clear water, have you seen how it sparkles, how it shines, how it glitters? Same way, whether it was April, May, June, July, October, or it was filled up with water and it became a big stream, or it was lean and thin stream during the summers, it always sparkled because it was clean and healthy and non poisonous. So, children, in these two stanzas, we came to know about Anju's merry little stream and why she liked it so much. Children, I have highlighted some difficult words for you to learn and write. You also have to write the meanings of these words. The words are whole, cause, environment, merry, stream, rippling, flowing, leapt, wide, lean, and sparkling. And in the next class, we will move on to the next part of the lesson and see what happened that Anju had to bring the whole village together. Okay,